Japan is sick. Horrifying fact, Japan has the most mental hospitals in the world. Although Japan is only 2% of the world population, it is estimated that about 20% of all mental health beds in the world are in Japan. This is due to school problems such as bullying, poor working and economic conditions, as well as the structural problems of excessively long average hospital stays. While the average length of hospital stays in the world is about 10 to 30 days, in Japan it is a staggering 285 days. This is due to the fact about 80% of mental hospitals are operated by private medical corporations. Private medical corporations must obviously pursue profits, and it's difficult to run a business without a bed utilization rate of over 90%. In other words, once a patient is hospitalized, the hospitals don't want them discharged. While there is a movement around the world to reduce the number of beds, the number is hardly decreasing in Japan, and more patients are being completely isolated from society. This is clearly not about providing treatment, but about hospitals making money.